IT support is a technical job, and some of the language used can be a bit, well, technical. We always stay away from jargon when we're working with our clients. So here's our jargon-free look at the 3 most important areas to discuss with your technology partner. Number 1 is infrastructure. That's your entire tech system, your network, your servers, and all the devices you use to get the job done. The right choices mean maximum efficiency and productivity. Your IT partner should help you build a world that just makes sense. Next up is security. Everyone on your team knows they should lock the door when they leave the office, but do you take the same care with your data? An IT security plan will depend on your particular business. That's why security is one of the most critical things to think about. And third is downtime. That's not the time you spend playing with the kids, it's the time your systems are out of action. IT downtime can mean money down the drain, so make sure your tech support partner understands exactly what that means for your business. They can proactively prevent problems with world-class support when you need it. This is what we do every day. If you'd like a jargon-free conversation with an IT expert, get in touch.